How to fix Skype no sound on calls. First things first, you simply have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued as of May 5, 2025. So the Skype has been now integrated into the Microsoft Teams. To fix this no sounds on calls issue, you simply have to make sure that you grant the audio and microphone permission to the Microsoft Teams application. So go ahead and launch your device's app drawer, look at the Teams application icon. Once you find it, go ahead and long press it, tap on this I option or app info panel, scroll down to the permissions section. Now head to the not allowed option. If you find the microphone and the audio option, you simply have to go ahead and then allow it, and it will now show in allowed section just like this. Now once you make this sure, go ahead and relaunch the application and also make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.